In this video, I will show you how to change your payment method on Bolt app. And I'm going to show you two ways. And the first way is how you can change it when you are scheduling a ride. And the second way is by just changing your default payment method. So stick until the end and then you will know both ways. So first of all, let's say we want to schedule a ride. Then I'm going to fill in the details of that ride. And then I'm going to show you where you can change the payment method. So when you are booking a ride, it will ask you to choose your payment method. And as you can see, I have two options in here. I have my Apple Pay, Cash, or I can add a payment method. And if you want to add a new payment method, then you can just basically click on this plus icon. So let's go ahead and do that. And then you can add PayPal and a debit card or credit card as well. And if you have a promo code used on your account, then you will also see this as an option in here. And if you want to change it, it's really simple. You're just going to click on that option and then it will be changed. And that is how you do it. So right now I selected cash. So now I can just buy with cash and then click on confirm order. So that is how you do it. It's really easy and straightforward. This is with scheduling a ride. But let's say you want to change your payment method as a preferred method and default method. Then you're going to click on back and then you're going to click on the three stripes at the top left from your home tab and then click on payment at the top. And then in here, you can just basically select the payment methods. You can see more payment methods in here, and then you can just click on add payment method to add more. And you can also top up your balance in here and use this as another payment method. So you can just go ahead and select one that you want to select as default. And that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helps you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.